Hey there, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use Google Slides activities with your students. This is an interactive drag and drop Google Slides activity. So if you have an activity and there are any slides that you do not want, for example, this is a music note naming, it could be the same with anything else. There's a question that your students don't need to learn. Simply go to the left-hand side, hover over that slide, right-click, and click on delete. That will get rid of that slide. If, on the other hand, you'd like the students to answer that slide twice, they need some extra practice completing that particular question, you can click on duplicate instead. If you've duplicated a slide, you can then left click on it and drag it and drop it up or down so that they're not prompted to answer the same question twice in a row. To share this activity with your students, we'll go to the upper right-hand corner to the yellow or orange button that says Share. We'll click on that. Right here where it says Get Link, we want it to say anyone on the internet with this link can view. You can change that if you need to, and then we'll copy the link. All right, so we've copied the link. We'll go to a new tab. We'll paste this link in here. And you'll notice that it says about edit and sharing at the end. And right before that, there is one last backslash. So we're going to highlight this right after that slash and put copy and hit enter. So you look at the last slash and highlight what's after it, not including the slash, and write copy. This will give your students their own copy so that when they complete the activity, they won't be messing with your original presentation or be forbidden the permissions they need to complete it. They'll hit make a copy when they're prompted, and they'll have their own activity. And then I want to show you one more thing. If you wish to assign it in Google Classroom, if that's the platform you use, you can go to your class that you want to assign it to, hit classwork, create, hit assignment. You can title it, write any instructions that you need, who you want to assign it to, all of that stuff. And then there's two ways you can attach your presentation. You can attach it straight from your drive by clicking here, and that'll work just fine. Or you can attach it via the link that we just copied, which is what I'm going to do because it's just a little bit quicker. And once you've attached it, you can see it says students can view file. That's not what we want. That will prevent them from being able to edit anything. We want to change this to make a copy for each student. This will give each student their individual copy that they can complete and then submit to you so you can see who has completed it correctly. It won't interfere with each other. They won't be answering questions in the same file, and they won't be interfering with your copy. You will still have your original in its original state. And then once you're done, hit assign, and your students will be able to open their assignment, complete it, and submit it back to you as they do with anything else in Google Classroom. You'll want to make sure that they are in edit mode. So edit mode is what will open automatically. You do not want to click present. In present, you won't be able to drag or drop anything. So this activity, for example, is matching. We can move these pieces as we wish. If we accidentally did something that we don't want to do, we can go up to the upper left-hand corner, click the undo button. It is the arrow that is pointing to the left, and that will undo any boo-boos that we've made. If you are in present mode, students will not be able to drag and drop, and they will not be able to type any answers. So do make sure that you're in edit mode. Hopefully this little tutorial was helpful for using Google Slides interactive activities with your classroom. Have a great day.